Thanks for sticking with us on Good Day Kansas. We're back at our amazing partner on the show, Lusco Brick and Stone Company, in their manufactured showroom. You may have caught us here a couple of weeks ago. I'm here with Holly McGuire. Her first time on the show. She's a residential sales rep here. Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you for being here.
Of course, today we're talking about the difference between the natural and the manufactured stone. I just want to start, can you give us an overview of the difference between the two?
Natural stone is what it is. It's just natural. It comes out of the ground. Manufactured is a man-made stone, a concrete colored product.
And the natural stone that you guys have, where is that from?
It's usually from the Midwest area, so Texas, Kansas, Nebraska, Missouri, so right here in the Midwest.
Oh, and then what about the manufactured stone that they see behind us?
The manufactured stone, we sell a lot of it as well. You see it on commercial projects, restaurants. Builders like to put natural stone on the exterior of homes, so you won't see a lot of homes that have manufactured stone. Some builders will. They like to do a full bed stone, natural stone, but it is a great product for like an interior fireplace or sometimes an outdoor patio, something that's not as structural.
When it comes to the difference between the manufactured and the natural, how consistent is the color?
Okay, manufactured is more controlled color because it's a colored concrete product. Natural is pretty much the color that you're going to see on our sample boards, but it is a natural stone. It comes out of the ground, so there can be some variation in color, so it's kind of a catch-22. You kind of, what you get is what you get, but that's the beauty of natural stone.
Oh, that's so cool. And then what about the way that they lay it down?
When you do an install on an exterior in Kansas or in Wichita with our freeze thaw, you would want a mortar joint in between your stones and not necessarily a dry stack, because if water got in between those stones, you would have freeze thaw and some cracking. So we do try to encourage people to do a mortar joint if you're going to do it on an exterior. And
so you've talked about, the difference between the full bed and the veneer. Can you kind of just go into a little bit more detail about that?
Okay, with the manufactured stone, it kind of is what it is. It comes out of a mold. But on a natural stone, you have a lot more things that you can do with it. You can do a full bed stone, which is like 4 inches thick, or you can even cut the faces off and create a thin stone that's a more non-weight bearing product. And with a natural stone, you can do way more cuts. You could do dimensional, you can do ledge stone, you can do just a machine cut. So there's a lot more things that you could do with a natural stone than you can do with a manufactured stone. It is just kind of what you see.
There are so many elements to this, so many that I'm learning just in my visits here. I really am having so much fun learning about the difference between the manufactured and the natural stone. If they want to contact you, if they have any questions, where can they do all that?
They can come to the office at 929 East 14th Street North. They can visit our website at luscobrick.com, or we are on social media at Facebook and Instagram.
Also, check them out. If you have any questions, Holly, thank you so much for the time.
Thank you for being here.
That wraps up today's edition of Good Day Kansas. Make sure you join us tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. for another episode.